Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So good morning! And today I will be sharing to you guys my skincare morning routine. And I already washed off my face and alam nyo na what I'm using. So the soap that I'm using right now is the Misaki Strawberry soap, which is included in the Misaki Rejuvenating set. Disclaimer guys, maybe this skincare is not suited for you, but this is the current one that I'm using right now, and I'm deliberately planning to use this for a month because Misaki Rejuvenating set is good if you're going to consistently use it for a month, and then you're going to let your skin rest for another month. Okay, so right now I'm done washing off my face, and I will be using the Misaki toner. Why I continue to use this for another because today it's already the 10th or 15th day, and why I continue to use this one because I see results, better results, good results actually, so I continue to use it. So normally pinapaset ko siya muna, and then normally naglalagay ako ng moisturizer, which is yung Cetaphil for the last 14 days kasi ika-15 ngayon. Today I'm going to after the moisturizer, diretso na ako ng yung Misaki na SPF 35. Supposedly, diretso na ako ng Misaki, but I want to make it more extra, kaya nagmo-moisturizer ako. And today, kasi nga, Skin 911 is having a promo, which is 850 for 3 items, which I'll be showing it to you. Natanggap ko siya, and then I'm so happy kasi ito siya 3-in-1 combo, including yung roller, jade roller, not jade roller, quartz yung nandito sa akin, at saka ito honeycomb mask, and the Skin 911. Ito siya. It's called the Vitamin C and E Serum, and we're going to use it today kasi nga, and prior to applying sunscreen. And ito yung roller guys, Quartz Roller. So guys, yung Skin 911 Facial and Slimming Center, meron silang ginawang deal, which is 850. Inclusive na yun yung face roller, mask sheet, and vitamin C and E serum. So itong face roller guys, ano siya, it benefits and it improves, the benefits for this, it improves blood circulation, skin tone, and the texture of your face. So I'll be using it today, and the mask sheet as well. As you know, it hydrates your skin, and it has an anti-aging effect, and the vitamin C and E serum is really good for morning routine for your skincare because it will protect your skin from any damages, and it will make your skin smoother and improves complexion. So I'm going to place their link on the description box so that maka-order rin kayo, kasi usually if kukuha lang kayo ng jade roller, it will cost 950, and if you're going to get the serum, it costs 250. So makaka-save kayo if kukuha kayo ng combo, which is this one 850, one ito, one ng honey sheet mask, and plus isa pa rin ng vitamin C serum. And that's it guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya gamitin. So tapos na tayo sa ating toner. What we're going to do is gagamit tayo ng ating serum, vitamin C serum, and then we're going to pack it into our skin. So hindi tayo gagamit ng sheet mask today because today is not where I'm going to make a segment for a Wednesday mask. Okay, so be excited for that. So if you're going to order this separately from the combo, you will be paying for 250 pesos. So much better talaga if kukuha kayo ng combo. So yan, open ko na siya, and then make sure lang na clean yung kamay nyo. Clear na clear. Yan. Yan palang roller ko, guys. Nilagay ko siya sa ref, honestly, para malamig. Kasi it can help me, especially sa toner, para kasing hapdi yung mukha mo. Ay, wala na. Wala na nag-focus, besh. Wala naman ka, besh. Yun kasing roller, no. If apply ka kasi ng toner, parang, mo, face mo, parang mahapdi ba? So, it's good for calming your skin. Okay. Naglagay na tayo. We're going to massage this one. Ang dali niyang ma-absorb sa skin, in fairness, ha? But okay lang. Kasi mag-glide naman to siya. Pero maganda talaga to if merong sheet mask, especially if you want extra moisture, and gusto nyo mag-relax. Sheet mask, tapos roller nyo. This morning kasi iba yung routine ko, so ito yun. Vitamin C serum is good for if you're going to apply it morning. Okay, I'm going to start sa head. Sarap kasi ang lamig. Just like so. Ako, mostly sa face ko, ginagawa ko talagang massage yung isa, ano ba yun, yung parang inclusive din sa gold, yung parang magbabibrate. The same lang yata ang concept nito. Super relaxing. Pataas siya, guys. And then, gawin nyo rin dito sa face nyo, yung maliit, sa mata. Ang sarap. Nakaka-relax talaga pag ganito. Makaginhawa ka bahay ka. Nawa kong kakapoy gamay o ka-stress. Maganda to if gawin nyo to, 2 to 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Maganda talaga if ganun siya, oh. Para ma-drain yung mga, mga bumps. Supposedly, pwede nyo itong gamitin dito, sa mga big areas. Ito yung gamitin nyo, yung malaki. Basically, ito yung mga direction pag nagmamassage ako, guys. Ito. And, dito rin, for the sake of this video, papakita ko lang sa inyo, yung mga directions. And, yung lahat ng mga nakuha nyo, kailangan i-down. Down. Hindi na nag-focus sa akin yung camera, besh. It really helps blood circulation into your skin and yung mga lymphatic drainage. Puffiness as well. And bring it down. Maganda to if gamitin nyo rin sa night yung roller, tapos gagamit kayo ng yung serum na pang massage talaga, hindi yung madaling ma-absorb sa skin. You know what I mean? Okay, so ganun na siya, guys. Wow. Pack! Glowing! Okay, so next, ganyan talaga ako, guys. Inborn talaga ako na merong eye bags. But I really love my skin right now. So next, I will be, for the final step, meron pa sana akong extra step. Pero as of now, kasi ginagamit ko yung Misaki na Rejuvenating set, as much as possible, hindi ako mag-incorporate ng maraming products kasi to avoid allergies or something like that. So, so far, okay naman yung ginamit ko na serum. Maganda din naman siya kasi vitamin C, good for morning. So, right now, we're going to use this Misaki Rejuvenating set na SPF 35. So, I will be placing it all over my face. Noon, konti talaga yung nilalagay ko ng mga SPF sa mukha ko. E napapansin ko, it's okay to put generous amount ng SPF kasi okay lang. And don't forget your neck kasi naglagay din tayo sa ating neck. Yan. Actually, iba yung nilalagay ko na SPF sa aking neck kasi ito specifically for the face. course, huwag nyo kalimutan yung body nyo. Diba? Parang akong mumu. And that's it for my morning routine. And since naka-quarantine tayo, hindi naman tayo gagala-gala, dito lang tayo sa bahay. So, babawi tayo sa ating mga skincare. Maybe napapansin nyo na hindi ako nag-eye cream. Lately, hindi ako nag-eye cream, but I'm really trying my best to find a good one. Naubos na yung aking, ang pinaka-favorite ko na talaga na eye cream is yung SK2, pero wala na ako nun. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang is, yung eye cream or yung moisturizer, especially yung serum, nilalagyan ko na rin dito sa banda sa eyes para naman, anything na magandang moisturizer that you're using, pwede nyo naman gamitin yun sa eye cream if wala talaga kayong eye cream. Huwag nang maarte, besh. Okay? So, this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the Wednesday, or we're going to maybe we're going to do it Thursday because na-inspire ako sa aking friend. I forgot his channel. I'm super inspired because he's doing the mask Friday, so maybe I'm going to make my own, which is either Wednesday mask day or Thursday mask day. What do you think? Please leave all your comments down below. Should I make it Wednesday or Thursday? And we're going to have a cup of tea and then chika and massage. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye for now. Saranghe.